said we stood out from the ones they were breeding. They said we should hide like a woman who's bleeding. But tell me if I am to hide, I'd rather forgo. And tell me, though I might be grieving, it might never show. They said we stood out from the ones they were keeping. They said we should smile like a woman who's weeping. But tell me if I am to smile, I'd rather you know. And tell me, though I might be leaving, I might never go. Oh, tell me, boy, does it matter who runs? Well, I can't sit still and be quiet at once. Oh, tell me, boy, have I led you astray? Well, I can't be living this way. They said we stood out from the ones that have reasoned. They said we should run like a woman imprisoned. But tell me if I am to run, we'd rather estrange. And tell me I might be another, I might never change. Oh, tell me, boy, that we're one and the same. Why wouldn't I dare to hold on to my name? Oh, tell me, boy, have I led you astray? Well, I can't be living this way.